Commission of the Philippines ensures that our history is safeguarded, our monuments are preserved, and that we remain grounded in the sacrifices of those who built the foundations of our democracy. Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleagues of the House, ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to sponsor the proposed budget for the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, the agency responsible for our nation's history and for determining all factual matters relating to official Philippine history. It has two major programs, Historical Asset Preservation and Management Program, and second is Historical Commemoration and Promotion Program. For the fiscal year 2026, the NHCP proposed a budget allocation of around 800 million. However, the approved NEP budget is around 562 million. The Commission is hopeful for the augmentation of its budget to realize the targeted costing of its programs for the fiscal year of 2026. Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, the budget augmentation will adequately help the agency in number one is continuous implementation of the information system in jump-starting the agency's continuous digitization process. And number two is the advancement of their organizational capabilities, development of physical assets, which would enable them in the efficient maintenance and restoration of shrines and other cultural heritage properties. In line with this, the agency aims to strengthen its regulatory functions as well as to institutionalize interdivisions and agency collaborations. We are hopeful that the House will appropriate the agency's budget proposal and its augmentation. Mr. Speaker, we are ready to answer questions.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move that recognize the Honorable Representative Tara Jane Lago, Party List Gabriela Women's Party, for her interpellation on the proposed budget of the National Historical Commission of the Philippines.
The Honorable Elago is now recognized. Please proceed.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Sponsor. First and foremost, this representation from Gabriela Women's Party fully support the request of the NHCP for the much-needed augmentation of their budget for the performance of their mandate. But before I make a motion on the budget of the NHCP, I just have one question for our distinguished sponsor. In the 19th Congress, Mr. Speaker, the House Committee on Basic Education and Culture approved a House resolution primarily authored by my predecessor, Representative Arlene Rosas, on the commemoration of the 150th birth anniversary of Gregoria de Jesus, Lakambini ng Himagsikang Pilipino. H.R. 221 honors her unwavering courage, revolutionary spirit, and her invaluable contributions as a hero of the Philippine Revolution. Her life and writings remind us that the fight for freedom, equality, and women's empowerment, which are integral to building a truly free and just society. Mr. Speaker, sinuportahan ng NHCP ang resolusyon natin ito at naway tuloy-tuloy nating alalahanin at isabuhay ang legasiya at mga sulat at mga tagubilin mismo ni Oriang. Ang isa ho sa mga nagha-house no, ng mga, hindi lang mga sulatin, kundi ng mga lahat ng makakatulong sa atin sa pag-alala ng kanyang legasiya ay ang Bahay Nakpil Bautista Foundation. Ang aking pong tanong ay, meron ho bang programa ang NHCP na para suportahan ang ganitong tipo ng mga foundation at mga katulad na inisyatiba para matiyak na yung mga private initiatives ay napapalakas natin sa pamamagitan ng pampublikong suporta?
Meron po, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, magkano ito para sa susunod na taon? At kung para sa 2025, kung may kaparehong programa, nagamit na ba ito para magamit din sa mga parehong inisyatiba?
Naganap na po, Mr. Speaker.
Okay, para sa 2026, magkano ang original na proposed budget ng NHCP para dito? At isa pa ito sa mga item na gusto natin na mapunan upang mapalakas ang ganitong tipo ng programa.
Mr. Speaker, pwede ko po bang malaman kung yung values po na tinatanong po nyo ay saan po? Pertaining to what particular po?
For the program in helping private initiatives, such as the Bahay Nakpil Bautista Foundation. Housing, not only, Mr. Speaker, not just the belongings, no, writings, paintings, and related life and works of Gregoria de Jesus, but also our Filipino nationalist, composer and musician, Julio Nakpil. Meron po ba tayong mga inisyatiba para makatulong sa pagpapalakas ng ganitong tipo ng pagsisikap?
Actually po, tayo po ang nag-spearhead daw po ng mga ganitong programa. And ngayong taong 2025, ay ito po ay dineclare na taon ng kabataan. Oh, sorry po. Ito po ang taon ng kabataan, yung Oriang, Del Pilar, and Jacinto po.
Mr. Speaker, hindi lang ito tungkol sa pagsuporta no, sa ganitong mga pribado, mga individual na inisyatiba, kundi yung pagtitiyak din, hindi lang ng pag-aaral o pagtatala, kundi ng mismong pag-alala at hindi pagkalimot sa ating mga babae na mga bayani at mga revolusyonaryo tulad ni Oriang. Kaya po, hingin natin ang ulat ng NHCP tungkol dito at yung kanilang mga request no, para sa dagdag pondo, amyenda, upang mapunan natin ang pangangailangan ng NHCP. To end, Mr. Speaker, as we honor the legacy of Oriang, let us continue to draw inspiration from her life and further the fight for genuine democracy and social justice. Sa harap ng mga nagpapatuloy na banta sa ating soberanya at mga sagka sa pagkamit ng tunay na kalayaan, nais kong magtapos sa panghuli sa 10 tagubilin ni Oriang. Pagsikapan mo ang pagkakaisa ng lahat upang hindi ka makasagabal sa kasarinlan. Yan ang isa sa mga tagubilin ni Oriang na pinagsisikapan natin na maisabuhay. Palakasin natin ang pagtatala, pag-aaral at pag-alala sa kasaysayan dahil ito rin ang ating gabay at landas sa pagtindig para sa tunay na kalayaan, para sa tunay na kasarinlan. With this, Mr. Speaker, I move, there being no other members of the minority who wishes to interpolate, I move to terminate the deliberations on the proposed budget of the National Historical Commission of the Philippines.
Thank you po, Mr. Speaker.
Majority Leader,
Mr. Speaker, on the part of the majority, we join the minority in the motion to terminate the interpellations on the proposed budget of the National Historical Commission of the Philippines.